knew you can earn money on TikTok just like YouTube? Many TikTok users have an engaging content or videos, but they are not earning because they are not part of the creator reward programs. To start earning on TikTok, your TikTok account must be from one of these countries that are eligible for monetization. Countries like UK, US, Spain, South Korea, Japan, or Brazil. And if you are not from this country mentioned, you are not eligible for monetization. Countries like Nigeria, other African countries, Asian countries are not eligible for monetization. And if you want to learn how to earn on TikTok, if you are from the countries that are not eligible, you need to watch this video till the very end, because we will explore the 2 ways you can create international TikTok account without a VPN, and you start making money from your videos, just as those that lives where TikTok videos is monetizable. And I don't want to miss this opportunity, and me who don't want to earn free money, guys. Before we dive into it, I want to use this medium to appreciate you guys for supporting me to reach 1k subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. And if you are new here, kindly hit that subscribe button to join the family. In this channel we make videos about practical legit ways to make money online and how to generate content with AI and so many other things that will be very useful to our life. So ensure you subscribe to my channel, like this video and leave a comment and subscribe, so that I will give you a warm hug, and this will help YouTube algorithm to push this video to other people that really want to earn money on TikTok, that are interested in how to create international TikTok account without the use of VPN. Having said that, let's get right to it. The first way to create monetizable international TikTok account without VPN, if you are from any of the countries that are not eligible for monetization, is for someone you know, either relative or a friend that lives in those eligible countries, to create an account for you, and you will use the details they use to log in your TikTok account wherever you are. And if you don't have any connection in any of the eligible countries to open an international TikTok account for you, don't worry, I will teach you how to create one with your phone without the use of VPN. So to open an international TikTok account without a VPN, the first thing you do is to open your TikTok. If you have other accounts logged in here, you will then log out from that account. When you log out from that account, click on profile down here. You will see this interface here. Then when you see this interface here, you will click on profile, then you see sign up here. When you click on sign up here, it will bring this interface here. Then you see it located in Nigeria. So what you do, you click on Nigeria, then you select the country that you want to use. For the purpose of this video, I'll be using France. Why I'm using France is because France doesn't ask for tax ID if you want to verify your account, but if you use US or UK, they will ask for tax ID. So I'm going to use France on this one here. I'll click on France. Now as you can see, the Nigeria have changed to France. What you do now, you click on use phone number or email address, then you click on email, then you now enter the email address. I'll just enter the email address here. Now click on continue. You say check your email address that they have sent you a code. Sometimes you might not get a code on your email. I use the sign up with password option. I'll go to my email address, then I'll get the code 452067. Then I'll now enter my date of birth and I'll press continue. Now they say create a nickname. I'll just put Joestar. Now my account has been created. To confirm that this account is an international TikTok account and it is monetizable, click on the profile. As you can see, this is Joestar. Nice. I click on this 3 line there. I'll click on creator tools. So from the monetization here, you see creator reward program. That means that this account is an international TikTok account and you can use it to make money. You will see estimated reward $0 because I'm not even started creating content. This is how to create an international TikTok account without a VPN. And you should know, to monetize this account, I need 10,000 followers and 100,000 views. Within 30 days, you must be 18 years old. Now all I have to do is to start creating a unique content. And if you are still watching till this time, I really appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. And if you want to learn other ways to create international TikTok account, monetizable international TikTok account, please subscribe to my channel so that when I drop the video you won't miss it. Thank you for watching.